In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Outlook calendar with Asana for better task management and scheduling. If you've ever felt the frustration of juggling multiple task lists and calendar events, stay tuned. This quick tutorial aims to help you synchronize these two powerful tools to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's begin by heading over to Asana. If you're not already familiar, Asana is a fantastic project management tool that helps you keep track of tasks, projects, and deadlines all in one place. Once you access your Asana dashboard, you'll want to find the specific project you're aiming to integrate with your Outlook calendar. It might take a moment if you're managing multiple projects, but getting the right one is crucial for a flawless setup. Next, you'll want to look for the Customize option. You can usually find this towards the upper part of your Asana interface. Clicking on Customize opens up a variety of features that help tailor your project management experience. Here, we want to focus on the integration aspects. Within Customize, the next step is to click on Rules. This is where you can set automation that minimizes repetitive tasks, such as updating records when a task changes statuses. It's all about making your workflow more efficient and less manual, using smart integrations with external tools like Outlook. Now look for the Show More button in the menu. This might seem a bit inconspicuous at first, but it's a goldmine of options that often get overlooked. Clicking on Show More broadens your menu to reveal numerous integrations and settings you might not have realized were readily available. This brings us to selecting Outlook Calendar. Clicking on it will take you to the settings where you can link your Outlook account. This is where the magic happens. Linking your Asana tasks directly with your Outlook events helps ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. You gain a synchronized view of your commitments across both platforms, helping you better plan your day and weeks ahead. At this point, you have reached the final step where you can choose the specific settings for this integration. You'll have options to customize what kind of tasks you want to sync, whether it's all tasks or just those assigned to you. Personalizing these settings will maximize the benefit you get out of this integration, aligning it perfectly with your particular needs and preferences. That's it! By following these straightforward steps, you've now connected your Outlook calendar with Asana, setting you up for a more organized and efficient way to manage both tasks and time. This integration empowers you by keeping everything centralized, reducing overload, and allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!